their crimson glow lighting the place. Juicy oranges, fresh and bright, filled the air with scents so light. Bananas swayed in a playful trance, singing along in a fruity dance. Grapes whispered tales from their vine. Pineapples stood tall, bold and fine. Strawberries giggled sweet and red, while guavas played and cheerfully said, "Count our seeds, oh what fun!" Cherries twinkled one by one. Pomegranates boasted rich and grand. Peaches blushed at compliments planned. Lychees spoke of lands afar, where sunshine kissed them like a star. Together they rode, side by side, a joyful journey, a colorful ride. Passengers smiled, savoring delight, as the train chugged into the night.